Today we're looking into our Instagram photo, and I have a playlist here. Let's open that. In the top menu, you find the social plugins, and in the lower section of that menu bar, you will find the Instagram photo and the Instagram hashtag. The Instagram photo is based on photos from your Instagram account, and Instagram hashtag is based on hashtags that you put in. So we're taking a look at our Instagram photo today. So let's resize this and let's go over the settings and the design options that we have for this plugin, which you will find, of course, in settings on the right side of your screen. So the first thing we have to do is select a page. Make sure that this is a business page and that you have access to that page through your Facebook. Of course, Facebook and Instagram nowadays are the same. You can toggle on and off likes and comment count and the time since this was published. You can choose columns, which means how many columns do I have displaying my photos. You can edit the text. You can choose your own font. Of course, if you're using custom fonts, those will be available too. And then the rest is editing text like color, bold, italic, and so forth. The font zoom is made for those who have posts with very little text. So instead of having just one line of text, you will be able to font zoom and then have it fill out more area. The caption lines are the maximum amount of caption lines. You can go up to 10 lines, or you can actually just set it at 0 and not have any caption lines at all. The caption background is a overlay, and this will be overlaid on the photo, and then you will have your caption lines in the caption background. Border, you can set a border width, and we will set ours at 10. These will be the borders on the edges and between your photos. And you can naturally set the color of that border. The update interval is how frequently we switch out the post. You can set the language, and of course you can pixel by pixel adjust both the size and the positioning of the plugin itself. So I will toggle off the likes, the comment counts, and the time ago, and then let's hit preview and see how this looks. And as you will see here, we now have our Instagram posts with only photos, so there will be no overlay, no likes, no comments, and so forth. And every 5 seconds they will toggle or slide. Now let's close this and see what it looks like if we toggle on the show likes. And you'll see it has a overlay now in the bottom where it says how many likes we have, and then we can add our caption lines. Let's do 2 caption lines, and maybe we want to do a blue background, and we want to make it a bit transparent like this. See how that looks. And of course you can keep on going and changing the font, the design, and so forth. Also, we can change the columns. Let's just try 2. And you'll notice that we only have 2 columns of photos from our Instagram account, flipping through every 5 seconds. I think this is what you need to know about the Instagram photo. We also have a video on the Instagram hashtag. It is very similar, and most of these plugins are actually self-explanatory. So all it requires is for you to play around with it and get a feel of how they work and what options you have in the individual plugins. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next one.